Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to apply forecasting to a dashboard widget in Bold BI. Bold BI Embedded Analytics helps you integrate analytical solutions and data visualization capabilities into a software application's user interface to improve data comprehension and usability. To explore the forecasting feature, you need to install and deploy the Bold BI server in your machine. Then, the server will be launched in your default browser using the localhost server URL. Initially, the page looks empty until you create a new dashboard or add a pre-built dashboard. I have already installed and deployed the Bold BI server using an on-premise-demo.boldbi.com domain. I have created dashboards and explored some dashboard examples, so that the dashboard's homepage has several dashboards listed. Before getting into the video, you have to know how to create a dashboard and how to connect to a new data source. Please check the links provided in this video's description if you do not know how to do these things. Let's explore the forecasting feature. A forecast model is a popular type of predictive data analytics that forecasts answers to questions that have to do with numbers, like money or traffic, based on historical data. Bold BI allows you to forecast future data when visualizing your data in charts, and it has built-in models that allow prediction based on exponential smoothing techniques. Exponential smoothing is a widely preferred class of statistical techniques and procedures for discrete time series data. It is used to forecast the immediate future. This method supports time series data with seasonal components, or systematic trends where past observations are used to make predictions. Forecasting in Bold BI can be applied to both seasonal and non-seasonal data points. For seasonal data, you can automatically detect the seasonality based on historical data. Our forecasting model also supports bound value prediction using adjustable confidence intervals. To know more about forecasting, please find the documentation link provided in this video's description. Let's go to the product homepage. Here you can see a list of dashboard examples I've explored. From these I have added the supply chain performance dashboard, which demonstrates the forecasting feature. I open the dashboard by clicking on it. The supply chain performance dashboard provides an overview of a company's key order metrics and tracks on-time delivery rates, cash-to-cash cycle time, and more. Let's edit this dashboard to view the forecasting applied widgets in the Dashboard Designer panel. This spline chart widget visualizes the cash-to-cash cycle time metric, which expresses the length of time, in days, that it takes for a company to convert its investments in inventory and other resources into cash flows from sales. Now, I am going to recreate this widget for your real-time experience. First, we'll see how to enable and configure forecasts in a chart. To enable forecasting, only one column and one value field has to be included in your chart. In this chart, we have provided the measure value as the cash-to-cash cycle time and the column as order_date, which is a date data type. Speaking of data types, forecasting can be applied only for the following data types. After adding a column and value in the chart, the Forecast Settings option will be displayed in the Properties panel. Click Enable to apply the forecast in the chart. After enabling the forecast, the chart will be updated with a forecast and upper and lower bound data points. Let's configure the forecast data points where length can be used to define the number of forecast data points to be included in the chart. By default, the length will be set to 10. Then, we can use the confidence interval to define a range for lower and upper bound values. By default, the confidence interval is set to 95%. Next, let's check out seasonality, which is set to auto by default, and will be predicted automatically based on seasonal input data. If you want to set a seasonality period explicitly for your seasonal input data, then this option can be used. Let's check Forecast option, where we can customize the colors of the forecast line. Let's check Confidence option, where we can customize the colors of the confidence range. We can use the confidence band styles to define the display style of the upper and lower bound data points. Fill style will display a color in the upper and lower bound range, line style will display the upper and lower bound values with lines, and dot will display the upper and lower bound values with dotted lines. Now, we have successfully recreated the widget. Further, you can explore forecasting in other dashboard examples, such as the Google Analytics Page Performance Dashboard and the Forum Management Dashboard. Links to these dashboards are provided in this video's description. Also, you can find these kind of dashboard examples under our Predictive Analytics website page. To learn more about predictive analytics, please refer to the link provided in this video's description. The forecasting feature of Bold BI dashboards provides a better picture of what kind of outcomes a business can expect in the near future. It allows you to come up with smart short-term and long-term goals. You can find more dashboards like this supply chain performance dashboard in the sample dashboards sections of the Bold BI website, and you can also find our solutions and integrations dashboard examples on the sample browser page. A link is provided in this video's description. Our dozens of examples will inspire you to create the perfect dashboards for your business needs. In this video, we have seen an overview of how to apply forecasting and dashboard widgets in Bold BI. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have, or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.